सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Om. Chapter 11, verse number 22. रुद्रादित्या वसवो ये च साध्याः विश्वेश्विनौ मरुतश्चोष्मपाश्च गन्धर्व यक्षासुरसिद्धसङ्घाः वीक्षन्ते त्वां विस्मिताश्चैव सर्वे। Arjuna, while seeing the Vishwarupam of that Lord Krishna, he is undergoing 3 types of emotional expressions. First emotion is Ascharya, wonder, astonished. Then second emotion is Bhayam, fear. Third emotion is Bhakti, devotion. All these emotions happens in the mind of Arjuna while seeing the Vishwarupam. Ascharyam because, astonished because all Devatas, the whole Brahmanda, Arjuna seeing in that Bhagavan. In his whole form, he sees the whole universe. How in this sloka he explains, who am I all seeing now? All Devatas I am seeing. Rudra Adityaha. He says, Ye Rudradityaha. 11 Rudras. Rudra means, I was talking in the last class about this. Rudra means Dukkham Dravayati iti Rudraha. Rudra means, Rud means to cry. Cry means you are unhappy, Dukkhamna. Dravayati means the one who make the Dukkham run away. If you chant Rudram, our Dukkham will go away, run away. That's Sri Rudram. 11 Rudras. For that symbolically, philosophically, if you see, 5 sense organs of knowledge, 5 sense organs of action, and plus 1 mind. All 11 put together, Rudras, they are making the person to suffer. They are giving happiness also, and they give pain also. So if you chant Bhagavan Namam or Rudram, any Bhagavan Namam, Vishnu Sahasranama or anything, Dukkham will go away. Therefore Rudraha, Adityaha, I am seeing in your form, all 12 Adityas. Vasavaha, Vasus, all these are description in Vibhuti Yoga. Whatever Lord Krishna said in Vibhuti Yoga, all I am only, Vasus are also myself. Adityas are also myself. Rudras are also myself. Now Arjuna has to give homework, no? He has to present the assignment. What? As you said in the 10th chapter, you yourself is Rudra, you yourself is Aditya, you yourself is Maruts, Vasus. Now I am seeing all of them. Whatever you said is true. You are not telling any lie. I am seeing whatever description you have given in the 10th chapter. That's the Vibhuti Yogana. So lesson by heart panni, gada 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 sollanam illaiyo. Having heard that Vibhuti from the Lord, now Lord has to prove all those things in him. Yes or no? Then Arjuna says, yes, I am seeing all of them. No doubt for me. 33 Vasus are also there. Vasavaha, all directions. Ashta Vasus are there. Each Vasu will become number of Devatas. There is no tatparyam in this, okay? Don't probe too much in these things, okay? Enjoy, just listen. 12, 14, 15, 16. There is no purport. There is no context at all. That we have to see. Sadhyaha. Certain type of, certain group of devatas, sadhyaha. Vishve devaha. Vishve devatas, other devatas, another group of devatas, Ashvinau. 2 Ashwini Kumaras, Marutaha. Maruts, 49 types of breeze. What type of breeze you are experiencing from past 1 week? Different daytime, sudden sunlight, type of breeze. Rain comes, another type of breeze. Cool breeze, pleasant breeze, tender breeze, so many types. இதெல்லாம் வாட்ச் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எங்கே மனசு அவேர்னஸ் இருக்கணும் இல்லையோ? Because we are always sitting in AC or under the fan. That fan in 5. If he gives another number 6, we will keep in 6 also. Every house, fan will never move in 4 or 3. Where we can experience that Maruts, 49 types of breeze, how can you feel? If you sit under the fan or if you sit in AC, you can never enjoy the breeze, gentle breeze you can never enjoy. Just sit without fan for some time. Ammo, uire poidum. குளிர் காலம் கூட ஃபேன் தேவையே இருக்கு. ஃபேன் வேணும்னா மைண்ட் செட் ஆயிடுச்சு. அப்படி நமக்கு பகவான் ஒரு சில் கண்டிஷன், ஜான்வரி டிசம்பர், வாட் ஏ நைஸ் கிளைமேட் பகவான் ஹேஸ் கிவன். ஆனாலும் சரி ஃபேன் சுத்தலைன்னா நமக்கு ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கும். அது கொஞ்சம் சுத்தினாதான் நமக்கு கொஞ்சம் நிம்மதி வரும். அந்த மருத்ஸ் என்னது 49 types of breeze, just naturally you enjoy. Enjoy that. Hot breeze, oh, fine, that is also fine. Very, very, yes, chill breeze. Biting cold, that type of breeze is different. To enjoy all these things, ஒரு தனி மனசு வேணும் அதுக்கு. Therefore, you have to go to natural sceneries, ocean, park. Good park you have to go and feel. When there is no pollution much, you can feel that. Sarve eva Gandharva Yaksha Asura Siddha Sanghaha. This word we were seeing. Aha, hu lo irikam. Last week we were seeing groups of Sanghaha, means groups of Gandharvas, musicians. Narada, Tumbura, all of them, Gandharvas, Yakshas, Kubera, etc., Asuras, Virochana, etc., Asura, Siddha Sanghaha, all other Siddha Purushas. Not 1 or 2. In groups, Ganaganas he is seeing in them, in Lord. So, vikshante tvam vismitaha. They are also seeing you. I am seeing in you, all of them. But what they are doing, they are looking at you. So, Yaksha Siddha Sura Sanghaha all are not interested in anything like human beings. They are always interested in Bhagavan. That's why they are also looking at your form. Vikshante tvam. They are looking at you. All are looking at you. Vismitaha. They are also looking at you with wonder. Their uniform response, and artham, vismitaha. All of them, the same response. They forgot to blink their eyes. They forgot to close their mouth. When you are also surprised. Stuck. That's surprise. Vismitaha. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now we'll read that next shloka 23. From this shloka onwards, second phase of emotional expression, we can see the fear, bhayam, how Arjuna felt. That fear, he was frightened and artha. We'll read that shloka. Rupam mahatte bahuvaktra netram Mahabaho bahubahurupadam Bahudaram bahudam strakaralam Drishtva loka pravyadhitat tathaham Pravyathitas-tathaham. By reading this shloka, I am very sure that many of you have not heard my Bhagavad Gita chanting. That is sure. If you have heard my Bhagavad Gita chanting, you would have read the shloka confidently. The shloka chanting I kept only to learn how to chant Bhagavad Gita shlokas. Especially in this 11th chapter, the shlokas are very, very tough. That words, their composition itself is very tough to pronounce. So listen Bhagavad Gita chanting. So no voice is coming from your side. Very, very feeble voice is coming. I know how difficult this shloka. So at least Bhagavad Gita shlokas we should learn how to study properly. How people, those other religion people, they take that their book and every Sunday they go and they chant whole thing, the Bible. And they know the numbers also. And you see how boldly, happily they carry the Bible and they go. How many Hindus are taking Bhagavad Gita in their hand and coming to the classes? Because in temples we don't have chanting. So it is must for them. They go compulsory. From children onwards or elders they go. Every Sunday regularly they go. But every Saturday, how many of us regularly attending Bhagavad Gita and chanting? That's why instead of shouting at other religions, they are converting, they are doing lot of things, this and that, there is no use at all. Instead of blaming them, let us, we the Hindus, study our scriptures. If we are studying, propagating, why can't we give Bhagavad Gita for a person? How many of us we are giving Bhagavad Gita as a gift to others? Let us give Bhagavad Gita to others. Let us, every one of us, make a point. In every house there must be a Bhagavad Gita. Even 2 rupees Bhagavad Gita available, 5 rupees Bhagavad Gita is available. Let me spread this message to many people. I am serving the Hindu Dharma. Ramayanam, Bharatam also, even Bhagavad Gita, it is our Grantha. Very important Grantha. So therefore we must live first as Hindus. Once we live as Hindus and we revere our scriptures, automatically other religion people, they will also follow. There is no difficulty at all. We need not blame them, really speaking. We have to blame ourselves. How many minutes at least I am chanting every day one chapter? Bible they chant every day. They do everyday prayer. In Muslims also, namaz compulsory, every day they do. Why can't we do? But we are very busy with so many things. They are also busy. But they are doing because they have preachers more. They are always hunting them. There are preachers. But we have taken it as granted. Even teachers are there. We are not at all giving our ear to them. Very, very feebly people attend the Bhagavad Gita classes. Very few. Compared to the Madras crowd, lakhs and lakhs of people, you see hundreds of people only studying Bhagavad Gita scriptures. So every house Bhagavad Gita must be there, and every person must chant Bhagavad Gita, every person must little understand the meaning of the Bhagavad Gita. Then we are real Hindus. That day Hindu Rashtra or Hindu, the nation will be protected for the sake of whole universe. So we should not forget our job responsibility this. Just puja is not sufficient. Practice is also very important. Therefore, read shlokas boldly. Tappanalum paravala. Read loudly. Okay. Hey Mahabaho. A side point. I don't want to say forget. Okay. A side point, but remember. A note. Okay. It came in my mind just when they are reading with no confidence. Okay. Mahabaho. O Arjuna, mighty armed one, anartham. Arjuna. Mahabaho, te bahuvaktra netram. Yours, te means yours. Bahuvaktra netram means which has many mouths. Vaktra means mouths. Bahu means many. Netra means many mouths and many eyes. I am seeing. Drishtva is their last line. Fourth line, first word, Drishtva. Having seen. I am frightened. Having seen your many faces, many eyes. Then, Bahu Uru Padam. Bahu Bahuru Padam, second line. Bahu means many, again. Bahu means shoulders, arms, many arms, many thighs. Uru means thighs, many thighs. Padam, many legs. Drishtva, Bahu Bahuru Padam, Drishtva, Bahuvaktra Netram, Drishtva you have to supply everywhere. Bahu Udaram, many stomachs, many abdomens. Having seen, Drishtva. Not only that, Bahu Damstra Karalam, many frightening, sharp, protruding teeth. Dramstra means protruding, projected teeth. Many projecting teeth which are frightening. Karalam means frightening, fears. All these things, bahudam bandhamstra karalam drishtva mahat rupam, great form, mahat rupam. First line, it is there. See how the construction of the whole sloka, எங்கெங்கயோ இருக்கெல்லாம் construction பண்ணணும், words அன்வயம். Mahat rupam, your mahat means vast, great, inconceivable or inconceivable, not inconceivable, inconceivable, immeasurable form. Inconceivable also. Okay, you cannot convince the person this is the great form. No one can believe. Inconceivable or immeasurable. Mahatrubam. After seeing such a form, what happened? Rupam lokaha pravyadhitaha. Lokaha means all the 14 lokas or people. Lokaha means world. World is nothing but what? People. So loka means you can take another meaning also whenever we say loka, sometimes world, sometimes people. Lokaha. People are pravyadhitaha. Vyath dhatu. Vyath means frightened. This is the second stage. Fear, he is expressing. Pravyadhitaha, prakarshena vyadhitaha. They are extremely frightened. Not only all of them are frightened, all people of all worlds. Aham, tatha aham, I am also. I am also frightened by seeing your form. I came to you, O Lord, for happiness. Okay. I came to you, I want to see you. I have come here to see you for happiness. But by seeing you, I am afraid of death now. I am frightened. So once you go to a person with one intention, and if it happens opposite totally, how do you feel? Happiness ka opposite, na bhayam. So that bhayam has taken place in my mind. So frightened, I am frightened. From 23 to 30th shloka, Lord Krishna Arjuna expressing his the fear, frightening heart, how he felt. Next shloka we will read. Why fear comes here? Why fear? நாம் இருக்கும்போது பயம் எதுக்குன்னு சொன்னோம். ஏதோ இருக்கு தமிழ்ல. அது மாதிரி பகவான் முன்னாடி இருக்கும்போது பயம் எப்படி வந்தது அர்ஜுனருக்கு? When you are standing in front of Bhagavan, you should not have any fear. No? But fear comes because with this you have to understand. It is a partial vision. Partial vision means a lopsided vision. A fear is the Ishvara Srishti only. It is a natural phenomenon, happens in every being, fear. But you should feel that fear when it is required to certain things only. But our fear is Jiva Srishti. Natural fear created by Bhagavan is Ishvara Srishti. Bhayam is meant to protect my life. I am afraid of disease. Why? If that fear is there, only you can take care of your health. That fear is good. That fear is good. I am afraid of crocodile. Yes, good. I am afraid of scorpion. Good. That is Ishvara Srishti Bhagavan kept for our safety. But the fear what we are developing out of our own likes and dislikes, that fear is called Jiva Srishti. This is where teacher is required, Word to word meaning, if you read books also you will get it. But the presentation, how you look at it, the shloka, Arjuna's fear cause enna சொன்னா சம்பிரதாய குரு தான் சொல்ல முடியும். You cannot get any commentary books and all. Now you see, Arjuna's fear cause enna, it is Jiva Srishti. Arjuna's Srishti. Vishwarupam பார்க்கும்போது பயப்படக்கூடாது. அது ஈஸ்வராச சிருஷ்டி. அந்த பயம் அங்கே தேவை இல்லை. ஆனாலும் அர்ஜுனனுக்கு பயம் வந்தது. அப்போ என்ன அர்த்தம்? லோப் சைடட் விஷன் அர்த்தம். என்ன லோப் சைடட் விஷன்னா, அர்ஜுனா இஸ் ரெடி டு ஆக்செப்ட். அர்ஜுனா என்ன, நம்ம கூட சிருஷ்டி எவ்ரி ஒன் ஆஃப் அஸ் லைக், கிரியேஷன் எவ்ரி ஒன் ஆஃப் அஸ் லைக், எவ்ரி ஒன் லைக்ஸ் தட் சஸ்டினன்ஸ் ஆல்சோ, ஸ்திதி ஆல்சோ. என்ன தீபாவளி வருதே நாளான்னைக்கு, இப்படிந்தே சம்பரம்னா ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு, சஸ்டினன்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. அதுக்கப்புறம் மல்லி பொங்கல், அதுக்கப்புறம் இன்னொரு ஃபெஸ்டிவல். சிருஷ்டி ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு, ஸ்திதி ஆல்சோ வி லைக். நெக்ஸ்ட், வி டோன்ட் லைக் டிஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன், டெத் வி டோன்ட் லைக். அதுதான் லோப் சைடட் விஷன். When there is Srishti, other side of the Srishti is Laya. When there is growth, suppose we are growing, tall. How much you grow? You have to stop, one way. One place you have to stop. Then decay. Other side of the growth is decay. Association, other side is dissociation. So all these pairs, complementary, which are the nature of that creation. Accept the fact. If I don't accept, when everything is fine, பகவான் ரொம்ப நல்லா பண்றார், எனக்கு பகவான்ஸ் கிரேஸ் ரொம்ப இருக்கு, ஐ எம் ஹேவிங் பகவான்ஸ் கிரேஸ் so much. When everything is fine. If something goes wrong, why Bhagavan created this universe? And asking parents, why you gave birth to me? They question the parents when things are going wrong. Why you have not educated me properly? Why you have not kept me in a proper college? We question that mother, father, Bhagavan also. This is called lopsided vision. Dissection, rejection, everything comes. So Arjuna also, Ascharya along with that bhayam coming, because he is going to see all these people are going to enter into Bhagavan's mouth. He is not able to withstand. The whole world is merging into Bhagavan. He is not able to withstand. That too, Drona also going, Bhishma also entering into his mouth. Not ordinary way. Bhayankarama they are entering. Like some people die, normal death. Some people with lot of pains they die. Like that, some people are straight away going to Bhagavan's mouth. Some people they are crushed under the teeth of Bhagavan. That's what, not only that, powder ஆயிண்டிருக்கான உள்ள. These are all symbolically presented to show that old age, disease, how they overpower the person, occupy the person. That's a bhayam. Bhartrihari says in one shloka, people afraid of so many things. Generally, what are all things are there people afraid of? That shloka is very nice shloka. I will tell about that shloka after reading this shloka. Okay. 24th shloka we will read. Nabhasprusham deeptamanekavarnam व्यात्ताननं दीप्तविशालनेत्रम् दृष्ट्वा हि त्वां प्रव्यथितान्तरात्मा धृतिं न विन्दामि शमं च विष्णो. Now how you read loudly? Because you have paid an attention towards my chanting. So if you pay the attention, your attention please and chonna, adha previous sloka kapram. Your attention please towards the sloka when I said, immediately your attention has increased while I am chanting. Therefore you are able to chant perfectly. So I appreciate you. Nicely you have chanted. So every sloka we pay our attention, we can chant any mantra. So let us see this shloka. Tvam nabhasprusham deeptamanekavarnam vyattananam Deepta Vishala Netram Drishtva. This sentence, whole sentence. I said one shloka I will tell you. So you are waiting for that. Otherwise you don't listen to this shloka. Let me finish that Bhartrihari shloka. Beautiful shloka. Bhoge roga bhayam kule chuti bhayam kaye kritantad bhayam माने दैन्य भयं बले रिपु भयं रूपे जराया भयं शास्त्रे वादि भयं गुणे खल भयं वित्ते नृपालाद् भयं सर्वं सर्वं वस्तु भयान्वितं भुवि नृणां वैराग्यमेवा भयं. So bhayam, simple were 9 vastus, things Bhartrihari is just giving symbolically. We have fear about so many things. Poduva, generally people are afraid of these things. Bhoge roga bhayam. Bhayam na fear. Bhoge, when a person is enjoying pleasures, sense pleasures, through this body, he is afraid of roga. Suppose if I get disease, I cannot enjoy these pleasures. Deepavali sweets. Suppose diabetes is there, sugar problem, Deepavali vandali erichala irukum. All people are eating sweets. This person secretly also nobody will allow to eat, no? Where can he eat now? Because of diabetes problem. Bhoge roga bhayam. Deepavali he cannot enjoy. Deepavali another sweets dane. Sweets illavaru Deepavaliya. Kashtam. Then second one is kule chuti bhayam. A person, suppose he is born in a very, very high family. Kulam. Good caste and the people, all Vamsham is very great, high Vamsham. That Paramparyam. No, he is always afraid of his people, no, that society, his sect of people, no, that race. Chuti Bhayam. If my daughter or son, if they marry other caste people, what they think, and the Chuti Bhayam. Chuti and perishing, na. Perishing not. By if our children goes out of religion, if they marry or other caste people, everyone come and ask why your son did like this, why your daughter did like this, and they look down upon ourselves. Even though they are not looking down upon ourselves, we feel like that. Kule chuti bhayam. Enna ahumo, enna nenapangalo, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு தீட்சிதர் ஃபேமிலி, ஐயர் ஃபேமிலியில் பிறந்து அங்கே போய் ஒரு அமெரிக்கன் கேர்ள் ஹாய்ன்னு சொல்லிட்டா அவ்வளோதான். That's why parents, when they are sending their daughter and son, Swamini கொஞ்சம் ப்ரே பண்ணுங்க, sending these people, I have to pray them not to get married with Christians or Muslims. என்ன அங்கே அனுப்பினதுக்கு அப்புறம் நான் ப்ரே பண்ணணுமா? சரி பண்ணுறேன்னு சொன்னேன். அங்கே போனதுக்கு அப்புறம் யாருக்கு தெரியும், பயம் பயம் பயமா உட்காந்துங்க. எந்த டைமுக்கு வந்து எந்த மாதிரி ஃபோன் கால் வருமோ. கல்யாணம் முடிச்சாச்சு, நீங்கள் வாங்குவாங்க கூப்பிட்டா என்ன பண்ணுறது? குலே சுதி பயம், பெரிய பயம். இங்கே லைஃப் லாங் இட் இஸ் நோ பிளாக் மார்க் இன் தட் குலம்னா. தே கனாட் ரைஸ் தேர் ஹெட் அண்ட் கோ. அது மகாபயம். சுத்தி குலே சுதி பயம். அப்பவே சொல்லி வச்சிருக்காரு பர்திருஹரி. என்ன, தீஸ் பீப்புள் சில்ட்ரன் ஆல் கோயிங் டு அப்ராட். அங்கே போய் ஸோ தே ஆர் ஹாப்பி, தே ஆர் ஸ்டேயிங் டுகெதர், தட் இஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட். பட் பேரண்ட்ஸ், ஹவு தே கேன் ஃபேஸ் தேர் சொசைட்டி, ஃபேமிலி மெம்பர்ஸ், சில்ட்ரன் நெவர் பாதர். ஹாய்னா ஹாய் தான், அவ்வளோதான். பேரண்ட்ஸு ட்ரெடிஷன் ஃபேமிலி கௌரவமே கிடையவே கிடையாது. எல்லாரும் ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸ் தானே, ஆத்மா தானே. அது என்ன ஃபிலாசபி சொல்லிக் கொடுப்பான்? தே டீச் ஃபிலாசபி டு பேரண்ட்ஸ். எவ்ரி ஒன் இஸ் ஹியூமன் பீயிங், எவ்ரி ஒன் இஸ் ஆத்மா, கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் அப்படி சொல்லுவான். என்ன சொல்றது? ஓகே, காயே கிருதாந்தாத் பயம். காயம், திஸ் பாடி எப்போ கிருத்தாந்தான்னா யமதர்மராஜன் எப்போ வருவானோன்னு பயம். அபவுட் திஸ் பாடி, டெத் ஃபியர், ஃபியர் ஆஃப் டெத்னு அர்த்தம். டெத் ஃபோபியா, மரண பயம். காயேன ரிகார்டிங் திஸ் பாடி, வித் ரிகார்ட் டு திஸ் பாடி, யமனன்னா பயம். யமதர்மராஜ அவர் தானே. கிருத்தாந்தான்னா யமதர்மராஜா, மரண பயம்னு அர்த்தம். தென் மானே தைன்ய பயம். மானவன்னா அபிமானம், ரெஸ்பெக்ட். I have, in society I have so much respect. I am having a status in the society. Suppose this respect goes, this esteem, that prestige, if it goes, this person cannot come out. You have heard that news in America? Because of this share market, totally crashed, a whole family, they lived a rich family, and a daughter, children also, 2 children, a rich family. When the whole financial crisis comes, the whole family suicided, because he is not able to face the people in the society, because he cannot walk, he cannot travel in the train, and they cannot wear simple dress, and the respect has gone. Money pochana ellame poidum. மானே தைன்யபம், தீனஸ்திதி அர்த்தம். தீனமான ஒரு வாழ்க்கைன்னா ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். மானே தைன்யபயம். தென் பலே ரிப்பு பயம். இஃப் ஐ எம் வெரி ஸ்ட்ராங் பர்சன், பலம் இருந்துன்னா ரிப்பு பயம். எப்போ எனிமி வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவானோன்னு பயம். தட்ஸ் வை சாம்பியன் ஆல்வேஸ் afraid of another champion. No, strong person. The wrestlers, body builders, boxing people, always opponent. Bale ripu bhayam. This Pratipaksha party kuda, the ruling party is afraid of opposition party. The opposition party ku enna velanna, always blaming the ruling party. The ruling party blaming the opposition party. Idhe vela. Bale ripu bhayam. If they don't criticize other people, they will put vote to that party. Bale ripu bhayam. Then rupe jaraya bhayam. Rupam, I am so nice, I am looking so nice. Avan think pandra, I am so nice, I am looking so beautiful, handsome. Daily mirror lo paate rupam paate jara bhayam. Engyo white hair varadu, pluck panninde irupaan. White hair varakudadu. ஒரு ஒயிட் ஹேர் வந்தால் ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும். வைராக்கியம் வந்துடும் லைஃப் மேலே. அங்கேங்க எல்லாரும் சொல்லுவா, அப்படியே வெள்ளையாக வந்ததே முடி உனக்குன்னு சொல்ல. சொன்ன உடனே இவர் அப்படியே சொல்லி பண்ணுவார். ஏன் அப்படி இருக்கேன், ரொம்ப வீக் ஆகிட்டேன். One lady is asking me, Swamini, because of diabetes I have reduced my weight. Because of reducing weight, see this part, neck part கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே தொங்கின்னு இருக்கு, it லூஸா இருக்கு. Everybody is asking me, why it is like this, and I feel very bad. No, old age, already 62. No, 65 years going to come. எதுக்கு இன்னும் இந்த இன்டாக்டா இருக்கணும். ஸ்கின் ரூபே ஜராயா பயம், ஓல்ட் ஏஜ் வருதுன்னு பயம். தென் சாஸ்திரே வாதி பயம், சாஸ்திரம் நல்லா படிச்சிருக்கான். சார் எனி subject I am very thorough, I am afraid of those people who argue with me in that subject. If they argue, my knowledge will come out, no, what I do not know they will come to know. Shastre vadi bhayam. Then comes gune khala bhayam, a person who follow virtues. Gunam means manchi gunam, nalla gunam, sadgunam. அவனுக்கு எப்பவுமே அந்த துர்குணம் இருக்கான்னு பார்த்த பயம், கலபயம். He is afraid of those people who are all having vices, bad qualities. Good qualities இருக்கிற person afraid of those people who are having bad qualities. Because their bad quality means they put rumors and they create a lot of rumors, everything and all put on this person. This person who is good is afraid of those people. Then what? Last one, Vitte Nripalat Bhayam. Vittam, you earn lot of money, if you don't pay tax, next day they will come for riding. That is cinema actors, the bounce check comes back, no? The check which is not ready to bounce, no? It will come back. Edo solluva bank lo. And the madri, if you don't pay tax also, always government, when they is going to come and catch me, அதுதான் அது வாங்கி இது வாங்கி வச்சு 80G வாங்கி ஏன்னா லாட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸம்ஷன் எல்லாம் வாங்கி வச்சுட்டு ரெடியாக பயப்படாமலே அந்த பணம் சம்பாதிச்சதெல்லாம் போயிடுமே இல்லைன்னா. ஏன்னா ருபாலாத் பயம், ராஜாஸ் மீன்ஸ் கவர்மெண்ட். ஸோ வாட்? சர்வே வஸ்து பயான்விதம், ஆல் ஆர் மிக்ஸ்டு வித் பயம் பயம் பயம். Then where is abhayamana? Vairagyameva bhayam. Vairagyam. Abhayamana, fearlessness. If you have renunciation, you are not having attachment to all these things, you are free from fear. இப்போ அர்ஜுனருக்கு என்ன பயம்னா மரண பயம். அதுதான் சொன்னவரே. Arjuna afraid of that all people's death. He says, Pravyadhitantaratma. Pravyadhitatman, he said. In the previous shloka, what he said? Pravyadhita aham. Pravyadhitaha, everyone is frightened, I am also frightened. Such me, ada pravyadhitantaratma. Such me, whose mind is totally under fear, frightened. Such me, pravyadhitantaratma, I am frightened at and the mind core, inside an artham. Antahkaranam, mind is deeply disturbed. Why? Tvam društva, by seeing you. I am frightened by seeing you. What type of you? Nabhasprusham deeptam anekavarnam vyattananam. By seeing you, who is Nabhasprusham. Nabhaha means akasha. Sprusham means touching. By seeing you, who is touching the sky? Who is touching the sky? Heaven and artham. Who is touching the sky? This is Marana Bhayam is called Abhinivesha in Yoga Shastra. They call it as Abhinivesha. Marana Bhayam is one of the Bhayam Drishtva nabhasprusham. What form? Deeptam anekavarnam. Who is brilliant? Deeptam means brilliant, effulgent. Anekavarnam, with many colors, with numerous forms, multifarious colors. Vyattananam, widely opened face or mouth. நம்ம பல்லு டாக்டர் கிட்ட போனா காட்டுன்னு சொன்ன மாதிரி தே ஓப்பன் யுவர் மவுத்ன்னு சொல்லுவான். டென்டிஸ்ட் என்ன வேலைன்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டென்டிஸ்ட்டுக்கு போனால் என்ன பண்ணுவான்? ஓப்பன் யுவர் மவுத்ன்னு கேட்பான். பூஜ்ய சுவாமி சேஸ், இஃப் யூ கோ டு அரபு கண்ட்ரீஸ் யூ கேனாட் ஓப்பன் யுவர் மவுத். டென்டிஸ்ட்டுக்கு போனால் கூட ஷுட் நாட் ஓப்பன் த மவுத். லைக் தட் யூ ஹவ் ஓப்பன்ட் யுவர் மவுத் ஃபுல்லி. క్లోజప్లో కామిక్రారని అర్థం, జూమ్ లెన్స్లో. నో వ్యాస భగవాన్ ఈజ్ షోయింగ్ ద ఇన్ కంప్యూటర్ దేర్ ఈజ్ ஒன் ஃபுல் ஸ்க்ரீன்னு ஒன்று பாயிண்ட் இருக்கும். இஃப் யூ ப்ரெஸ் இட் ஹோல் ஸ்க்ரீன் கம்ப்யூட்டர் ஃபுல்லாக வரும். அது மாதிரி ஜூம் லென்ஸ்ன்னு ஒன்று இருக்கும். இன்னும் கேமராவில் கூட இருக்கு இல்லையா, க்ளோஸ்அப்பில் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு ஜூம் லென்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுவாள். நவ் ஐ டோன்ட் ஹேவ் எனி ஜூம் லென்ஸ் நவ், ஜஸ்ட் வேர்ட்ஸ் ஐ எம் எக்ஸ்பிரஸிங். யூ ஹாவ் டு விஷுவலைஸ் த ஜூம் லென்ஸ். Lord is showing his mouth in full opened form. Adha vyattananam. Ananamana mouth. Where you hear this word ananam, gajananam. Adha ananamana mouth. Vyattananam, wide open mouth, widely opened face or mouth. Deepta Vishala Netram, and who has large fiery eyes with large brilliant eyes and artham. Eyes are brilliant, prakasham ma irukana. So what na idella happiness na, one way happy, one way bhayam. Yenna first two lines I am very happy to see you in an effulgent form, but I am not able to see the end, where directions also I am not able to see. Na dhrutim vindami, I am not find any courage to see you. Further, I am not having courage to see you. My courage has gone, you have taken away. Dhruti na courage. My mind is no more strong. My mind is shaken to the core. Therefore, Hey Vishnu, Shamam na vindami. My composure also I have lost. I do not find any shanti. Shamam means shanti. I do not find any shanti, composure. Here Vishnu has got two meanings. Rudhi arthaha, yogika arthaha. Rudhi arthaha, yogika arthaha. Rudhi arthaha means a popular meaning. Vishnu popular meaning is Lakshmipati. Vishnu means popular meaning, immediate meaning anartham. That is Lakshmipati. What is yogika arthaha? Yogika arthaha means derived meaning is sarvam veveshti iti Vishnuhu, the one who pervades everything. Sarvam veveshti iti Vishnuhu. This is derived meaning. So you, instead of taking Lakshmipati, Rudhi Artha, better to take Yogika Artha. Why? Hey Vishnu, because he is seeing Vishnu Rupam, no Vishwarupam, not sitting, reclining on that Seshatalpam. You can take Rudhi Artha. Why? Lakshmi is sitting there, Lakshmipati. Now, no Lakshmi Devi, no Seshatalpam, but Lord showing the universal form. Therefore, Sarvam Veveshti iti Vishnu, that meaning is appropriate. I am not able to see. Next shloka we will read. Damstrakaralani chate mukhani Drishtva kalanala sannibhani Disho na jane na labhe cha sharma Prasida devesha jagannivasa Enjoying the Vishwarupa means accepting the pair of opposites. And since Arjuna is not able to accept the pair of opposites, he is not able to enjoy further Vishwarupa. So he is afraid of. Because that opposites he is not able to accept. Not convincible for him. Therefore, he feels now, te mukhani, sorry. Te, yours, mukhani, we can do this way. Te, damstrakaralani, kalanala sannibhani mukhani drishtva. By seeing or having just seen your mouths, mukhani, mouths, drishtva, tvantam, anichula, drish dhatoho, tvanta pratyayam, avyayam. By having just seen your mouths, what type of mouth? Damstrakaralani, which are with tusks, protruding teeth, tusks. Damstrakaralani, bhayankaramanak. Karalani means bhayankaram, frightening, fearful. How they are appearing in Arjuna says, Kalanala sannibhani. Anala means fire, Agni. Kala Agni. Your mouth is appearing like a Kala Agni. Kalagni means Agni is that which swallows everything. Agni swallows everything, mouth also swallows. So your mouth is appearing like a Kalagni. Kalam is that which swallows everything into itself. So just while the creation is coming, Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Apaha, Jalam, Prithvi, everything. Now in this same order it has to go. Pralaya Kalam, Pralayam means Layakale Agni. Layakala Prithvi, Layakala, Pralayakala, Jalam, Pralayakala Agni, Pralayakala Agni merge into Pralayakala Vayu, Pralayakala Vayu merge into Pralayakala Akasha. Like that's a Pralaya Kalam anartham. That's a Kalagni. Now Arjuna is not able to swallow this fact. So you are swallowing everything under your teeth. Dissolution, sannibhani means sandrishani. They are like, your mouth appearing like. Sandrisha means like. Sandrishani, equivalent. Pralaya kale dahaka agni iva anartham. Kala anala sannibhani. Anala anna fire. Kala anala sannibhani. Like sometimes one type of pickles, in Gujarati people they prepare katha meetha. When I went first time in Gujarat, we the Andhra people are very, very the spicy avakkai, avakkai is so famous, so karam. Their avakkai is meetha katha avakkai. First, when I taste that avakai, even I couldn't swallow it. How a avakai can have a sweet? So very difficult to. It is katha meetha, sweet and hot also. So you cannot spit out because karam irukku. You cannot swallow because sweet is there. What to do? You cannot swallow, you cannot spit out. ஏன்னா ரெண்டுமே இருக்கு அதில். அது மாதிரி இப்படி அர்ஜுனருக்கு விஸ்வரூபம் பார்க்கறதுக்கு ஆனந்தமாகவும் இருக்கு, ஒரு பக்கம் இங்கே எங்களெல்லாம் உள்ளே போயிட்டு இருக்கு. டிசல்யூஷன் டேக்கிங் பிளேஸ். ஐ கேனாட் ஆக்செப்ட் தேர் டெத். வாட் டு டூ? விஸ்வரூபம் பார்க்கணுமா வேண்டாம், நீ போன்னு சொல்லணுமா பகவானுக்கு? மனசு வரல. இப்போ அர்ஜுனா இஸ் இன் சச் எ டைலமா. அதான் it says kala anala sannibhani such a mouth you have. What is happening? Because of that, dishaha na jane, I am not able to find out the quarters, directions. Dishaha means directions. I am not able to see these directions, quarters. Purva apara viveka na janena. What is purvam, what is prior, what is later, what is up, what is down, what is right, what is left, I do not know now. Na jane, I do not know. I do not recognize what to do now. Okay? Nacha labhe, dishaha na labhe. Nor do I find sharma. Sharma means peace. Sharma na labhe, dishaha na jane. வழியே தெரியலன்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையோ, வழியே தெரியாமலே கஷ்டப்பட்டு இருக்கோம். எங்க போறதுனே தெரியலன்னா, எங்க போறது, பணம் எல்லாம் செலவாயின்னு இருக்க, எங்க போறதுனே தெரியல. Like that, Arjuna also, I do not know what is happening. I lost my sukham, peace. Therefore, ataha. Therefore, you have to do what? You have to supply ataha. For fourth line, ataha devesha jagannivasa prasida. சாந்தப்படு சாந்தப்படுன்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையோ, அந்த மாதிரி பிரசீதா. ஹே ஜெகன்னிவாசா. ataha means therefore you have to supply. Because of these reasons, I am not able to see you. Where, what is your form? I am not able to understand. I am not able to see the directions. I have lost my peace of mind. I am very much disturbed. Therefore, Shantapaduna Prasida. Be pleased. Prasanno Bhava. Be gracious. Be kind towards me. Stop your Vishwarupam. Be gracious to me. Jagannivasa. Jagatam Nivasaha. Who is the abode of the universe, support of the universe, support of the universe. Such you, Devesha, Lord of Lords. Isha means Lord. Deva Isha means Lord of Lords. First Lord, L capital. Lord of Lords in a small L. Okay? Devesha. Next shloka. Next class we will read. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.